Good morning, my brother. My name is Victoria Jam. Please I introduced myself to know you more.
Thanks very much, Victoria James. I'm Victor Johnny by name. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Akwa Ibom State.
You are welcome, Mr. Victor Johnny. Welcome to JVJ Television.
Thanks very much. It's my pleasure to be here.
Mr. Victor Johnny, may I know more about your educational background?
Sure, Mrs. Victoria Jam. I studied electronic engineering from University of OU, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, where I specialist on power and energy.
This is wonderful, Mr. Victor Johnny. Okay, so, currently which area on stock and trade are you into?
Thanks very much, Mrs. Victoria Jam. Currently I'm working with fintech company as an onboarding officer. I'm also into software development, particular, artificial intelligence and freelance channel, also sale POS terminal, such as OPay, PalmPay and Fairmoney POS. The cheapest among them is Fairmoney POS, which 21,000 Naira. Their network very smooth and steady, low charges in the market.
Wow. Mr. Victor Johnny, so what are your targeting audience? I mean, as far as POS terminal is concerned.
Thank you very much, Mrs. James. Having been on point, well, to be honest with you, my targeting audience is you, Mrs. James. You need business to ADD to broadcasting. You will agree with me that monthly salary is not longer helping you pay off your bills, and as such you are my targeting audience. My focus is for everyone listening to me to have financial stability, so POS business can help.
This is wonderful. You mean I can purchase POS with you? How do I contact you?
Yes! You can get POS terminal from our office, or call me on 090492388830, or 080521333129. You can also email on vicfilmpay@gmail.com.
Thanks you very much, Mr. Victor Johnny, for being our guest speaker for today's presentation. And we are happy to have you at JVJ Television.
Thanks you, Mrs. Victoria Jam. I'm excited to speak to my wonderful people through JVJ Television. To my audience, thank you for listening. Please kindly subscribe and share to friends.
Please, my name remains Mrs. Victoria Jam. Kindly share to friends, subscribe. JVJ Television channel is determined to save you better. Bye for now.